I'm Paul Perkins with a check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon, ranging from the upper 20s in central portions of Nebraska to the upper 30s to the mid 40s over southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas. A warm front boosting our highs tomorrow into the upper 30s to the 40s, even to the low to mid 50s over southwest Nebraska to northwest Kansas. Arctic high pressure builds south, cooling our highs to the upper 20s to the 30s on Thursday and mostly the mid-teens to the mid-20s on Friday. Far southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas on Friday, though, can expect highs in the upper 20s to the mid-30s. As numerous disturbances slide to the southeast, there are occasional chances of light snow Thursday into Saturday night, higher chances Thursday through Friday. A lack of moisture keeps most of our snow accumulations to an inch or less. Highs on Saturday improve slightly into the 20s to the low 30s. A longer-lasting warming trend begins Sunday and Monday. Highs both days in the 40s to the low 50s. Long-term forecast continues an outlook of warmer than normal temperatures the first 9 days of February for Nebraska, Kansas, and the western and central U.S. Nebraska, Kansas, and much of the U.S. likely to be dry with below normal precipitation indicated Sunday through February 9th. Key weather factors the markets are watching include continuing cold in parts of the U.S. and dry weather concerns in Argentina. In the wake of recent storminess, mostly dry weather covers much of the U.S. the rest of the week. Very cold conditions persist across the eastern half of the U.S. Freezes are possible through Thursday in Florida as far south as the northern citrus belt. In the west, where a midwinter dry spell is stretching through a third straight week, no significant precipitation is on the horizon except along the northern Pacific coast. Mostly dry weather also prevails the next 5 days across large sections of the plains, Midwest, and interior southeast. Occasional snow squalls linger downwind of the unfrozen portions of the Great Lakes. A late week storm should produce light precipitation in the deep south. This weekend, that storm may intensify along the Atlantic coast with any snow and wind-related impacts highly dependent on the track of the storm. A warming trend is forecast for most of the U.S. Eastern areas with extensive snow cover may not have enough time to thaw out before cold air returns the second week of next month. The southern half of Argentina that's been dry for quite some time expects spotty rain through tomorrow. This weekend in southern Argentina, there looks to be limited or no rain for the main corn and soybean areas, and heat may add additional stress. The Black Sea region is turning warmer after Arctic air may have caused some winter kill for the wheat. Increased rain is expected in Ukraine, with higher chances over southwest Russia, which is in more need of moisture. This weekend into next week, another push of Arctic air may bring back winter kill concerns to the Black Sea region. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.